Hi everyone. SSC में तो government exams के experience में आबो हान बमक्तरा GKGS Manipur welcome तौजरी मसीसु GKGS Manipur ना current affairs की सरुक अमा ओइना weekly current affairs की video अमा मयाम की दमक्ता experience की दमक्ता पुदना लाक्सरी हाइब video असे from 10 March तक 17 March तक थोकिबा important events in the best ओबा अदुम video अमा ओइगनी अदुगा अखोय GKGS Manipur ना सु ममांगदा weekly current affairs की video अमा from 1st March to 9 March तक थोकिबा important events in the best ओबा video अमा पुदना लाक्सखरे हाइब video अदो येंगद्रिबा experiencing brothers and sisters in amtang yengbiu yamna kanagani an khanjai ai description da link soidna hapsarange or ai gi YouTube ki playlist ta changna kanda yengbiu ka playlist sema kanda su leijarabani aduga ngasigi video ase khoi exam oriented oina tawbani na khoi MCQ format ta su tawjagani ka MCQ format ta aduga hida pi riba question mari sina hapetang khoi gi sawrak overview ma and kitang important oib do khankala kanda hida thamjabani ka aduga sigi question je yengdingai da su khoi gi direct question je yengdingai da sigi question sing ju hapen naina mina se aduga khoi GKGS Manipur na soidna tung tarak ko su atopa important topic sing da and kadobo current affairs ki video se Monday na to Tuesday da soidna purakna bohana jage maram aduna GKGS Manipur ge channel se subscribe to driba khoi gi viewers sing na experiencing na subscribe to shin biro and atopa experiencing da so share to duna support to view hana ningsing jari adu ngasigi question how dunga da ngasigi question hida piribo question sing ji yengminar si du taragati what is the name of the satellite that the Assam state government plans to launch ko satellite अखोई असम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ना लॉन्च तौदुगी प्लान तौरकांदा लेरबा अदुम्बा satellite to adugi maming du kari kaubano na hange ko kari kaubano asam si am chawkhalab jana ga mokho gi masagi oiba on satellite po launch obugi plan to gre ko aduga second dam yeng ase which naval ship participated in the Mauritius National Day celebration 2025 Mauritius ki National Day celebration 2025 ta khoi participated to khiba naval ship to du maming kari kaubano na hange what is the full form of SpaceX ki full form kari no na hange ko on when was the National Safety Week celebrated National Safety Week karam kan celebrated to ngasi ki question ji hore na mo han dilakini ko dui ta ga myam yengmin nursing asi ki question MCQ format horasi ko in which country's National Day celebration PM Modi attended as a chief guest on March 12 ko March 12 ta PM Modi na koi Manipur da lao sung ya da ba PM Modi urai parai to laiba PM Modi na atopa country gi akhoi National Day celebration da participated to gi ko chief guest oina ado karamba country gi no na hangbane ko which country no na hangbane to de option number A da Seychelles ko akhoi gi state da lao ya ki de ko natra option B da Nepal and option C da Mauritius and option D da Sri Lanka and here mamang da khoi question mai nei na dusun pangre that is here the correct option is Mauritius ko Mauritius ki National Day celebration dan adu tar de khoi Mauritius ki maram da sai petang khangmam darkar ne tra Mauritius ki capital karino Mauritius ki capital do karino mayam comment section da mayam gi homa oina ai haijar ge capital do karino do mayam na petang search to biragra or yenga kan da comment section da drop to biramo ka do ka and PM akhoi huje Prime Minister Mauritius tu maming kari koi natra nabin akhoi India gi maming ga pen mana bani ko Ramgulam koi ba ko nabin Ramgulam koi aduga masigi PM Modi gi akhoi National Day celebration yawbo ge visit chida magna institute amaso akhoi inaugurated torme Mauritius institute tu gi maming kari koi ha matam da Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute koi Vajpayee Institute ko yam chi ning biro Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute ko and kedawa akhoi Prime Minister Narendra Modi da makhoi gi Mauritius ki highest civilian award ama highest civilian award ama so conferred or appear e ba ko adu highest civilian award maming kari ko ye have matam da the grand commander of the order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean ko yam sangi ko me mami the Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean hai ba highest civilian award se Mauritius ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi the confer tawre him chu ningsing biro ko. And with this question number 2 the continue to se during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Mauritius the traditional Get Guai dance gain attention ko traditional Get Guai dance se attention nama gain taweba because kay ginawa masi laku matam Prime Minister Narendra Modi si Mauritius laku matam masi dance na welcome taweba ko. And this dance is associated with which region karamba region gi associated tawno na question ja in semjarak ni ko adu taragade sig dance akhoi Git Guai dance pallabni na sig Git Guai dance karamba akhoi region gi associated tawno na Sikkim gara or Bhojpuri Bihar gara Uttarakhand Tripura option mari pere and ma'am so the answer is khangbiramagani that is the correct answer is Bhojpuri Bihar ko. And masigi hai ba Git Guai dance ko Git Guai dance ai tare masigi Git Guai dance mainly performed by kanana women na perform to nupi na ko. And yang asi question number 3 da ngasagi yawgi question du tanjele ko. Which naval ship participated in the Mauritius National Day celebration in 2025? Yang asi option number A the INS Bhumi and option B the INS Gulder and option number C the INS Imphal and option number D the INS Tarini ko. And here correct answer is that is option number C INS Imphal participate okay ko. INS Imphal se akhoi ka doba mokoi project 15B na ma laibido akhoi project 15A gi Kolkata class hai tare Kolkata class ki improved version hai tare Kolkata class ki akhoi improved version project eba project 15B ko Visakhapatnam class ki akhoi mokhoi gi naval ship mari laibido mari ko mari dugi ahum subani hai tare ko third ne ko third of the four hai tare for project 15B ko akhoi Kolkata class na ko project 15A oigidoba ko aduga sigi project 15B sina Visakhapatnam class ki aduga INS Imphal na ahum subani mokhoi gi project 15B dugi akhoi ship mari destroyer mari ka sa dugi ahum subu destroyer ne ko indigenous destroyer ne aduga akhoi keno da Indian Navy da commission tawkibna December 2023 da commission tawkibni ko. And with this, next question number 4. Which country topped the medal tally at the World Para Athletic Grand Prix 2024? World Para Athletic Grand Prix 2025 ta 2025 have been medal tally that top like country do maming kari no country do karamba country no na hangi USA ra China ra India ra Japan la. And here the correct option is India ni ko India ni aduga masigi haiba akhoi World Para Athletic Grand Prix 2025 che akhoi India da ihan han 2025 ta host India na host tobani ko aduga location na kadai da no haiba matam da location na kadai wa jaga da no haiba matam da Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium da togibani pangthokibani ko Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium kadai leiba New Delhi da leiba ko aduga India gi total medals kya no ham matam 134 medals ni out of which 45 goals ko 45 goals ni nishingo ko sim chume. And next question number 5 tong continue to say what was the mission launched in March 2025 to bring back stranded astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmer ko Sunita Williams amsung Butch Wilmer maming choi nan tangbi ramagani khoi news ta tum hanjin jin yaw la ram ni Sunita Williams mo khoi se mamang chahi gi dagi khoi International Space Station dagi halak pa ya da na sum technical error khar dagi ko halak pa ya da sum lai hi do aduda akhoi na sa amsung SpaceX na pulap punsila kan mission nama launch oyeba ko kari damak ta haiba thama pan hena akhoi International Space Station da palla kan da lai Sunita Williams amsung Butch Wilmer se ko purak na bigi damak ta adugi mission dugi maming kari kaubono na hangmani ko akhoi gi haiba sigi mission je akhoi na kai kaweba that is option number C Crew 10 kaweba ko Crew 10 kaweba ko haiba Crew 10 se ma kana na pulla kan da launch obano na sa amsung SpaceX na pulla kan da launch obane ko मैम खंगबिरोनी को अखोई लॉन्च डेट ना अखोई तौखरे 14 मार्च ता लॉन्च तौखरे 2025 ता को अदुगा रॉकेट की ममिंग ना करी कौवे है मतम दा फाल्कन 9 को फाल्कन 9 of SpaceX को SpaceX की spacecraft ममिंग ना कई कौवे spacecraft सी सु ममिंग जिंग ब फई को spacecraft ना कोई ड्रैगन को spacecraft ममिंग ना को हाइबा मिशन जे अखोगी सुनीता विलियम्स अमसोंग बुश विल्मर अनि से रेस्क्यू तौब खक्तंग रेस्क्यू मिशन खक्तंग नते नॉट ओनली ए रेस्क्यू मिशन को not only a rescue mission खक्तंग नते but also करी गितमक्ता अतोप astronauts खरा को ISS International Space Station दा थनमनबगी मिशन अमसुने मैम सो अंडरस्टैंड तौबिरानी को इन हाई की पॉइंट्स मैम दा खै हाइबा Q10 मिशन से NASA अमसुंग SpaceX ना लॉन्च तौबनी अदो हाइबा मिशन सिना कदोबा सुनीता विलियम्स अमसुंग बुश विल्मर ममांग सहिदगी थामपन हेन इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन द पल्ल कांद स्ट्रैंडेड ओर कांद लाइव एस्ट्रोनॉट अनि जे आर्टोंग पुरकनबगी दंग लॉन्च तौबने मसे 14 मार्च 2025 पे लॉन्च तौकरे रॉकेट की ममिंग ना कई कौवे फाल्कन 9 कौवे अदुका स्पेसक्राफ्ट ममिंग ना खने ड्रैगन कौवे मसीगी हाइबा मिशन जे not only aina jo hijack rescue mission khakta nate ko but also it also to delivers new astronauts to the international space station. May I understand to biramani question number 6 tam yengase what is the full form of SpaceX ko SpaceX ki full form kari non hangi ko space deployment experiment option number A option number B the space docking experiment option number C the satellite docking experiment and option number D the space dynamic experiment and hangi ko masigi high SpaceX ki experiment se karamba kanana launch to kam organization launch to no hana to mo tam da ko ISRO na to bani ko India gi ISRO maming join tabir mani full form karino ha to ma'am yeng biro ko aduga high full form of SpaceX karino ha tam option B that is space docking experiment ko high space docking ha gi arth di kaino ha tam da ko gi space ani kha ko kedoba spacecraft ani kha space ta connect toksin nabdo sigi spacecraft ani se kedoba ama paisila kanda sigi hanam leramba mokhoi space station da leramba spacecraft amada napsin nab thengjin nabdo ko khani space docking korba undocking ha kana separate to poto ko myam soidan khangbiram ni space docking mission je khoi ISRO na launch to kibni ka aduga haiba sigi mission je hida yaw ki satellite sing di maming na kari kari ko no ha matan SDX 01 ko ya mana kari chaser ne basine and SDX 02 sina kari target ne aduga undocking date na khoi March 13 2025 to oigadubni ko ado sigai khangjen biro myam with this next question number 7 the continue to say which country hosted the 12 special Olympics World Winter Games in 2025 special oiba 12 edition ki special Olympics World Winter Games 2025 ta karamba country na host okibano hangi India nara Italy nara India nara United States nara France nara hangi ko and here the correct option is that is option number A Italy na tawgibani ko aduga India gi medal teli hida lejare ko 33 medals fangki 8 golds 18 silvers and 7 bronze ko ma'am this is question number 7 is I ma'am understand to magani and thazai experiencing ko with this question number 8 continue to on who is that World Consumer Rights Day 2025 is celebrated World Consumers Rights Day 2025 se karam kanda celebrated to wonon hangi ko 13 March tara 14 March tara 15 March tara 16 March tara and it is one of the easiest question ka khang mission gite that is 15 March ta sahi ko ding celebrated to ko duka hantak 2025 ki theme na karino ha matam da as transition to sustainable living or sustainable life ko livelihood har shai ko ma'am khangbi ramani as transition to sustainable livelihood che khoi 2025 ki theme of 2025 World Consumers Rights Day 2025 kamba date celebrated toba 15 March ta with this next question number 9 the continue to which Indian institution secured the highest ranking in the QS subject rankings 2025 highest rank ko kamba Indian institution secure to wono na hangi ko yengase IIT Bombay nara IIT Delhi nara Indian School of Mines ISM Dhanbad Nara or IIM Ahmedabad Nara option mari pire ko. And here okay picture the sure that is option number C Indian School of Mines Dhanbad na secure to bani 20 sigi akoi highest range akoi QS subject ranking 2025 ki matung ina hai tare ko. aduga globally higher institution akoi Indian institute singi marak tadi mana top tare aduga kai doba globally oina kai doba global rank na kya no on hai matam da akoi 20 ne ko 20 rank ta lai global na ko kari gi field da no hai na hanga target in engineering mineral and mining hai na hai mineral and mining sigi field sidane मैम से तो अंडरस्टैंड तो बिरम मन थाजे विद दिस अखोय आईसीसी ट्रॉफी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी की अखोय तक यौ यंग लाव क्रिकेट की कप की को अखोय इंडिया कदाय द पांगथोखिबा पाकिस्तान होस्ट तोखिबा अदो इंडिया दी पाकिस्तान द तौरदी चलो एना चतबदगी इंडिया का सनाबदी दुबई द सनाबदो को अदोगे मैम सोदना अखोय क्रिकेट पामदबा इसिल नाउसिंग brothers and sisters in this one khang gani kan jai ko harba ICC champions trophy je kanana won to India na mai pa ki ko kana defeat to kan New Zealand defeat to kan by 4 wickets ko kadai the final lo kadai the pang thok ba Dubai International Cricket Stadium the pang thok ko host country Pakistan ani ka winner kanana India ani runners up New Zealand ani ko hojik to super great players of the series kanana ta ki Rachin Ravindra ko karamba country gi New Zealand gi Rachin Ravindra na ko India's ki match the only player in Dubai ki mohogi hai Dubai International Cricket Stadium ji some play to ki do because ke do kai gi na matam de India na akhoi Pakistan that tok ta ga de khoi India yaw roi have do India gi BCCI na tra BCCI se akhoi gi sigi hai ba kano se akhoi gi cricket ki institution je ka yamna पैसा पाइबा दो इंस्टीट्यूट अमा ओइबनिना अखोय यामना पोंगबदो को हाइतारे अदुगी अदाइदे फाइनल वेन्यू कदाइदा दुबई इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम दा प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच कनान ताकि रोहित शर्मा ने ताकि को इंडिया की का सो विद दिस अखोय नेक्स्ट टाइम कंटिन्यू तोरसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 दा व्हाट इज द न्यू ऑफिशियल नेम ऑफ द अस्ट्रा MK3 मिसाइल को अस्ट्रा MK3 मिसाइल के अनौब ममिंग करी कौबनो न हंगे को न्यू ऑफिशियल नेम दो Trishul Cobra, Brahmastra Cobra, Gandhiva Cobra, or Pinaka Cobra, and a option Mary Pireka. Adog high ba a correct option se lacking either. Sigi Astra MK3 Michal, the Sigi Maramda Petang Mam coming Nasika. Massi Sakogi BBR, year to year Michal Hatter, BBR, year to year Michal Never. BBR habdi kaino ha matam beyond visual range habni ko habdi yamna long range soibito ko beyond visual range habni ko kanana develop to what DRDO na develop to bane developed by DRDO ko मैम सोदना खंगबिरमनी को मसीगी हाइबा मिसाइल से केदोबा खोगी IF इंडियन एयर फोर्स की केदोबा सुखोई Su-30 MK1 अखोगी फाइटर जेट लाइबदो को तेजास एयरक्राफ्ट मखोय से डिप्लॉय तौनबगीदमक्ता अखोय कंफर्म तौखरे तेजास एयरक्राफ्ट को Jason Nishin Biro Aduga Maki and official name na Hidas Layeraka Gandhiva. That is option number C is the correct option Gandhiva Koiko. And Gandhiv Akoy Arjun Gi Mahabharati Gandhiv Tagi Akoy inspire or Kanda. India conducted the 6th edition of the Coordinated Patrol Corpet. 6th edition kaya soba edition no 6th edition Corpet and the 4th edition of the bilateral exercise Corpet aduga 4th edition of the bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar with his country exercise ani ni ko maming palisi ma'am ahan bana 6th edition of coordinated patrol that is Corpet and 4th edition of the bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar karamba country gano hariba exercise ani se military exercise ngakani ani Bangladesh gra Nepal gra Bhutan gra Sri Lanka gra hina option mari pire and here the correct option is that is Bangladesh. Option number A gani ko Bangladesh India ga section dum conflict lai re do tar ko so khoi chumba exercise te dum bangtho e ko higher exercise ka dai wa jaga da bangtho kim no ha matam da khoi maritime areas of Bay of Bengal ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯂꯥꯗꯦꯁꯀ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒ ꯃꯦꯔꯤꯇꯥꯏꯝ border areas ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ. So with this question number 12 to continue to see question number 12. When was CISF Raising Day celebrated? CISF full form I am so then khangbiramani ko akoi SSC gi adum exam thaba khotda adum yaw CISF ki yaw CPO su GDO su yaw ne ado full form of CISF to comment da ma'am dang drop tokshin biramo ko yeng viewers sing comment drop tokshin biramo ko aduga makho gi Raising Day se karam kan celebrated tawbuno na hangin 9 March tawbra 10 March tawbra 11 March tawbra 12 March tawbra. And here the correct option is that is 10 March 10 March ta CISF ki Raising Day se celebrated tawi aduga CISF se karam kan establish tawkhibno ham matamda establish tawkhibai chahi na 1969 da establish tawki ko CISF sa sisu understand tawbiramani thajai with this ma'am question number 13 da continue torsi ko. So question number 13, in which state did PM Modi participated in the winter tourism program? PM Modi amuksu yamna satpajane winter tourism program da karam state ta participate tawkhibno khoi Manipur da sunga lakte natra Assam dara Madhya Pradesh dara Uttarakhand dara Meghalaya dara nangi. Here the correct option is that is Uttarakhand, option number C. Uttarakhand ki Chief Minister kanano de ta CM of Uttarakhand khangjin ba phai natra CM of Uttarakhand Pushkar Singh Dhami koi ko Pushkar Singh Dhami koi ko CM kai kai se khoi myam khangjin ba phai akhoi kitang news ta ga yaw ta ga de mu khoi se dum hangal le hai tari ko mangi SSC GD ki question SSC 2024 hoidera 2025 hoidera mamangi da hatak ta nong pa February gi 4 gi pangthok ki ko aduda dum akhoi Tamil Nadu gi CM gi maming ga hamni duni ko. So dumai to dana CM of Uttarakhand ga ino akhoi Pushkar Singh Dhami ko buni ko ado yenga sin next question da question number 14. Who has been appointed as Federal Bank first ever brand ambassador? Federal Bank ki ihan first ever brand ambassador oina kana appointed tawno na hangi Vidya Balan, Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Padukone sorry ma'am, Deepika Padukone ka aduga Kiera Advani ka option mari pire ka option mari pi se akhoi yengasi picture da su ure that is Vidya Balan ka. Vidya Balan has been appointed as a Federal Bank's first ever brand ambassador ka. And Federal Bank se akhoi khangjin ba phare du ta Federal Bank ki ke dawa akhoi headquarter kada de lai hai na hang ta de SQ kada de lai bano Aluba Kerala de lai ka Kerala. With this next question number 15 now continue to recently who assumes the charge as chief executive of the Indian Bank Association. Indian Bank Association ki chief executive oina ka kana oina sir kana bu charge bu kibano na hangi ka recently hatak tani ka Manish Kumar nara Rajnath Singh nara CS Sati nara Atul Kumar Goel nara and option mari pire and here akhoi picture da su that is Atul Kumar Goel option number D is the correct option ka. And question 15 so ma'am khangbiramani so ma si lor kan question number 16 da continue to see what will be the new name of the Bangalore City University? Bangalore City University ki anoba maming ama thondore ko anoba maming do kari no sini da ka Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Bangalore City University Kaudira, Dr. Manmohan Singh Bangalore City University Kaudira, Jawaharlal Nehru Bangalore City University ra, Sardar Patel Bangalore City University ra and option mari pire and here the correct option is akhoi kana bu honor to boy na thon baneba Dr. Manmohan Singh bu honor to boy na akhoi Bangalore City University se akhoi kari maming thon dore that is Dr. Manmohan Singh Bangalore City University and maming thon dore ko. So with this question number 17 the continue to say question number 17 recently Delhi government launched a scheme launched away ko which grants 2500 monthly cash scheme for women. What was the name of the scheme? Akhoi Delhi government ne scheme ma launch away harbe scheme duna monthly oina tha khudingi nupi harakanda nupi loina makina te ko nupi da akhoi gi kana ba rupees 200 per 2500 ki cash oina direct benefit transfer gi mong nupi da pi bagi ko the scheme thai maming kari ko no hai ko akhoi Nari Saman Yojana Cobra, Mahila Vikas Yojana Cobra, Mahila Samriddhi Yojana Cobra, Delhi Women's Welfare Scheme Cobra and ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯃꯍꯤꯂꯥ ꯁꯃ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯣꯖꯅꯥ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯍꯤꯂꯥ ꯁꯃ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯣꯖꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯔꯨꯄꯤꯁ 5,100 ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯂꯣꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯦꯂꯣꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯂꯣꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯧ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯦꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯌꯤꯁ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯦꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯌꯤꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯦꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯌꯤꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯅꯤꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯕꯤꯅꯤꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯅꯤꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯄꯤꯗꯧꯅꯤꯀꯣ So with this question number 17, question number 18 da continue torse. Which edition of the Indian Kyrgyzstan Joint Special Force Exercise Khanjar? Exercise maming nishing biyo ko. Exercise Khanjar je kana gi marakta pangthok pano en hangta di kam country gi marakta pangthok pa exercise mangta de India and Kyrgyzstan gi marakta pangthok pa exercise ne is being held in Kyrgyzstan da pangthok ki bhantak chahi gi oina ko. Haiba exercise masigi edition je kya subu edition no na hangmani ko. Akhoi sigi high exercise khanjar se khoi March 10 to 23 March pok pangthok ka domne ko 2025 ke March 10 to 23 March pok aduga si se ke dawa special force ngi mark to pangthok pa exercise amane aduga maming ne kai koi ba exercise khanjar koi kang makam country gi exercise India and Kyrgyzstan da pangthok ba and kya sube edition no and hang pan da myam picture ju sure exercise khanjar 12 adu tagadi 12 sube edition myam so jana khangbiram mani ka with this question number 19 the continue to see whose organization developed the Brahmastra missile ko long range anti ship missile amni ko Brahmastra missile habja karam organization develop to bono na hangi ko and yenga se du tari ISRO na develop to bra Indian Space Research Organization and DRDO na Defense Research and Development Organization and how Hindustan Aeronautics Limited na and BDL Bharat Dynamics Limited na khoi option mari pire ko option mari stagi correct option je kam correct option odino yeah and here the correct option is option number B DRDO na develop to bni ka hai ba khoi gi sigi Brahmastra missile je khoi gi kai do ba hypersonic oiba yamna yang ba hai tar hypersonic glide missile amni ka hypersonic glide missile speed na kai do ba 12,144 km per hour pungom da si akhoi yang na chat pangam ba dum missile amne ko aduga mahaki range se kya no ha matam da 1500 km phok range lei ko range 1500 km ki range lei aduga enemies ki ship ama khoi within 5 to 7 to 8 minutes phok manung da thugai bangam within 7 to 8 minutes phok manung da pa sigi point sing sisu mayam understand to biramane khanjai ka so with this question number 20 the continue to see who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for the wetland wise use ko Ramsar ihan han ba first Indian kai karamba award receive to ba wetland wise use cyber kanu se ko wetland wise use ki damakta phangkiba adom ba Ramsar Award habani ko ado first Indian dum maming kai ko bano na hangi ko Divya Saroha Cobra Purnima Devi Cobra Subanshi Tyagi cover Dr. Jayashree Venkateshan have any comment. Option Mary Peter and here a picture do so that is Dr. Jayashree Venkateshan and he was a co-founder of the Care Art Trust. I a co-founder of Care Art Trust Chennai, Tamil Nadu ko Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Question number 20 lower matungda question number 21 chatringai da koi award am khag yang minam se khoi international Indian Film Festival IFFA 2025 ki ko award sigi maram da phat nai na minam se ꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ 2025ꯀꯤ ꯏꯗꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯏꯗꯤꯁꯟꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 25 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯏꯗꯤꯁꯟꯅꯦꯕ 2025ꯀꯤꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯣꯀꯣ 2025ꯀꯤꯅꯤꯅ 25ꯀꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ 25 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ 8ꯇꯒꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ 9 ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯖꯥꯏꯄꯨꯔ ꯔꯥꯖꯁꯊꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯂꯤꯗꯤꯡ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯃꯦꯜꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯥꯔꯌꯥꯟ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯕꯨꯜꯕꯨꯂꯥꯌꯥ 3ꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯂꯤꯗꯤꯡ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯐꯤꯃꯦꯜꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯇꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯒꯣꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯄꯇꯥ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯣꯃꯦꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯄꯇꯥ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ ꯂꯥꯄꯇꯥ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯅ ꯂꯥꯄꯇꯥ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁꯅ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦक्ꯇꯔ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯤꯔꯟ ꯔꯥꯎ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯂꯥꯄꯇꯥ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯤꯔꯟ ꯔꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯤꯔ ꯈꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯐꯇꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯃꯤꯔ ꯈꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯐ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛꯂꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯤꯔꯟ ꯔꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯤꯔ ꯈꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯐ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯞ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ ꯔꯥꯘꯕ ꯖꯨꯋꯜ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯀꯤꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯀꯤꯜꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯤꯡ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯐꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯖꯥꯟꯀꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯋꯥꯂꯥ ꯁꯥꯏꯇꯥꯟꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯗꯦꯕꯨꯠ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ ꯀꯨꯅꯥꯜ ꯀꯦꯃꯨ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯃꯦꯠꯒꯣꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯀꯨꯅꯥꯜ ꯀꯦꯃꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯗꯦꯕꯨꯠ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯗꯦꯕꯨꯠ ꯐꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯇꯤꯚꯥ ꯔꯟꯇꯥ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯂꯥꯄꯇꯥ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯗꯦꯕꯨꯠ ꯃꯦꯜꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯂꯛꯁ꯭ꯌꯥ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯀꯤꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯕꯦꯛ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯔ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯚꯣꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯦꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯁꯦꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯕꯦꯛ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯔ ꯃꯦꯜꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯖꯨꯕꯤꯟ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯏꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤ ꯔꯥꯀꯦꯁ ꯔꯣꯁꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 21ꯗ ꯋꯥꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁ ꯔꯦꯡk ꯏꯟ ꯗ 2024 ꯏꯌꯔ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯔꯦꯡꯀꯤꯡꯁ ꯀꯣ 2024 ꯏꯌꯔ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯔꯦꯡꯀꯤꯡꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 2024 ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯗꯇꯥꯁꯦ 2025ꯗ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯗꯇꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯔꯠꯂ ꯐꯣꯔꯠꯂ ꯐꯤꯐꯠꯂ ꯁꯤꯛꯁꯂ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯐꯥꯔꯁꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯐ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯠ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯂꯥꯗꯦꯁꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯀꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯅ ꯀꯣꯡꯒꯣꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯃꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯦꯛꯁ ꯔꯦꯡꯀꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ 2024ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯅ 2025ꯗ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯤꯁ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯋꯦꯟ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯤꯌꯔ ꯗ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯗꯤꯁꯟꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯨꯕ 54th ꯁꯨꯕ ꯏꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯕꯤయింग ꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯕꯤꯛꯁꯤꯠ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯕꯤయింग ꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯕꯤꯛꯁꯤꯠ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯤꯌꯔ ꯗ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯏꯁ 4 to 10 ꯃꯥꯔꯆ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯋꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯗ ꯅꯦꯝ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯁꯦꯇꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯗ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯁ ꯂꯣꯟꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯂꯣꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯇꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯅꯦꯠ ꯀꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯀꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁ ꯀꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯀꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯁꯦꯇꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯕꯤ ꯏꯁ ꯗ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯒ ꯀꯣꯂꯥꯕꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯣ ꯏꯟ ꯀꯣꯂꯥꯕꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯀꯩꯒ ꯏꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯀꯣꯂꯥꯕꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯣꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 24ꯗ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯇꯨ ꯗ ꯂꯦꯇꯦꯁ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯍꯨ ꯏꯁ ꯗ ꯔꯤꯆꯦꯁ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯏꯟ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯌꯥ ꯏꯟ 2025 ꯀꯣ 2025ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯇꯨ ꯂꯦꯇꯦꯁ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯌꯔ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯅꯣ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯖꯤꯟꯗꯜꯅꯔꯥ ꯖꯣꯡ ꯁꯟꯁꯟꯅꯔꯥ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯒꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ Jong Sassanala, Mukesh Ambani, or Gautam Adani. And here the correct option is that is Mukesh Ambani, Jio, and Gautam Adani in the third super position there, and Jong Sansan, second super position, the like him. So, my Taudana acquire Sigi question, I understand to be in Dominareka. And with this question number 25 to continue to according to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, report amakaki matung ina, which country became the second largest arms importer in the world during 2020 and 2024. 2020 and 2024 hoki marakta second largest arms importer kanana oikibano Russia nara, US nara, India nara, China nara, and hangiko. And here importers kanana no, that is the correct option is C. India no oikibuko. According to Stockholm International Peace Institute report, the second largest arms importers India no oikiko. With this question number 26 to continue to hanta yamna popular oikibanga na hanta viral chatkabo. Who hijacked the passenger train in Balochistan in March 2025? Balochistan, India, Balochistan, Hi, Bumfam Sida, train, hijack Toiko, Adu hijack Tokyo, Kanana, no hang, ISI, terrorist Nara, Taliban fighters Nara, Balok Liberation Army Nara, or foreign terrorist Nara, Balochistan, the Tower of Nina, that is option number C, Balochistan, Balok Liberation Army Natabunika, rebel Kangboom Leva Dunaka. However, events masigi hijack ki events March 11 to thokimni ko March 11. With this question number 27 the continue to minarsimya. Which space agency is preparing to launch two groundbreaking space mission? SpaceX, SpaceX and Punch mission. Karam space agency na launch to the honorable no. Nahangi mamangi previous mamangi weekly current affairs video yang bukambu na di SpaceX soidana thengnaramani ka amo aina pujarakbani ka SpaceX and Punch mission je karamba space agency na launch to the prepare to lebno nang nasanara jakhanara isro nara ka SpaceX abdi akhoi mamang so akhoi thengnaramani that is spectrophotometer for the history of the universe. My full form the main universe am sang man. Epoch of reionization and ice explorer having duga Punch sabana chigi SpaceX ki full form je ma'am hangak to man de ko yam sang mali natra polarimeter hangsong oi ko polarimeter ma'am khang na widang to haijabani unify the corona and heliosphere have Masije kanana plan to leba NASA is the correct option here ko. With this question number 27 to understand to Romanian Thazai ko question number 28 na continue to minersi. Kangaroo Valley National Park hanta recently akogi UNESCO gi tentative list of World Heritage Sites and the news to yawbogini ko Kangaroo Valley National Park mamang do so ai mamangi kanu do so video yang bukambu na so dum sigi national park maming taramani ka Kangaroo Valley National Park recently included in UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites for its unique biodiversity is located in his state. Karamba state located obano na hangi Kangaroo Valley National Park se koi saina news to Europe National Park education maru oebo ko adugina aina mem puzare su ko Kangaroo Valley National Park se ko UNESCO gi tentative list of World Heritage Sites ta mak unique biodiversity si damak ta ko hanta included oi grebo ko yakshin grebo ko adu haiba Kangaroo Valley National Park se kadai da karamba state ta laibano on hang Chhattisgarh dara, West Bengal dara, Madhya Pradesh dara, Assam dara, and here the correct option is that is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh da laiba Kangaroo Valley National Park, Chhattisgarh da laiba Dumba National Park. And question number 29, then continue to question number 29. Which ministry has introduced the third edition of the Prime Minister Scheme for Mentoring Young Authors. Sorry, Myanmar Tangang Bada Soigiba and Hive the Soigiba authors Myanmar Biginko. Young authors in mentor down Bugi the Makta launch Tokiba Adom scheme Prime Minister gi scheme dugi third edition dom. Adum dugi edition do Ministry in a launch of one hangi PMU bar 3.0 I was Prime Minister PM Yuba 3.0 मैम निशिंग को Prime Minister Youth youth की हाइतारे को youth authors सिंग mentor तो बगी अदुम्बा कहीं हाइतारे स्कीम मने बको हाई बसे क्या कम क्या सुबह एडिशन थर्ड एडिशन मसी करम मिनिस्ट्री की मखा इंट्रोड्यूस तो बनो हंग मने क्वेश्चन हंग निजका मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन की मखा दरा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स की मखा दरा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर की मखा दरा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स की मखा दरा एन हंगे को एंड हियर अखोय ने हिदगी खंगे यंग अथर्स ती अखोय के दौरे सिदी अदुम अखोय एजुकेशन के रिलेटेड ओरे को अदुना का दोबा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन की मखा दा अखोय लॉन्च तौखिबा अदुम स्कीम ममने को अखोय PM Yuba 3.0 हाइब्से मैम question number 29 is understand to bomna han thazai with this question number 30 the continue to in March 2025 which test was successfully conducted using the light combat aircraft AF MK1 prototype ko ramba test to no successfully conducted to vaidona hange ko kari sina kan the light combat aircraft LCA AF MK1 prototype sina kan brahmas missile test ra Astra BB Ram Tesla Prithvi 2 missile Tesla or Nirbhay cruise missile Tesla and picture the sure that is Astra BB Ram test ko Astra BB Ram test successfully conducted to preparation of the light combat aircraft AFMK1 prototype in the car Sahida March 2025 to ko and Masikada the Pangtoki Bono and Hangata Gadiko carried out of the coast of Sandipur Odisha the Pangtoki ko Sandipur Odisha share ko so with this akhoy ngasigi oina weekly current affairs ke video sigi question lotion jare hai dar aduga mayam na pdf amasung important updates amasung quiz daily quizzes kar dawjai ko hojik yoksang manung na tamni na phajana di tawbungam dre do quizzes kar dawjai harba quizzes sing sigi damaktai gi telegram channel da join tokshin biro ko and atopa whatsapp paiba ichil now sing damak whatsapp group amasung whatsapp channel I description da link so na chang get join tokshin bro and aduga ai gi video sitagi mayam na kana ba khajik tang was phangbi na khan bi taragadi like share amasung subscribe to ba kaubigano haina ning singjari masihara kana mayam ba mo na thagat jari thank you